In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Mailerlite API key. Knowing how to find and use your API key is essential for integrating Mailerlite with other applications and streamlining your email marketing efforts. Let's walk through the process together step by step to ensure you're able to access your API key whenever you need it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailerlite website. Once there, locate the login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that button. If you're using Google to sign in, look for the option that allows you to do just that. Click on Sign In with Google. This will redirect you to the Google Accounts page where you'll be prompted to enter your Google credentials if you aren't already signed in. Once that's done, you'll be taken to your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, your next destination is the Integrations section of the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens with connecting Mailerlite to other platforms. So find and click on the Integrations option. Within the Integrations page, you'll want to find the section titled API. Clicking on API will take you to a screen where you can generate new API tokens, which are essential for authentication when using the API. To generate a new API token, look for the Generate New Token button and click it. You'll be prompted to give a name to your new token, which can be really helpful for organization purposes down the line, especially if you end up having multiple tokens in use for different purposes. Naming your token, something indicative of its use, can save you from confusion later on. Before proceeding, you'll see a checkbox where you need to confirm that you have read and understood the API token requirements as set out in Mailerlite's terms of use. It's important to take a moment to familiarize yourself with these requirements to ensure compliance, so click on the checkbox once you have done so. With that complete, go ahead and click on Create Token. Congratulations, your API key has been generated. You'll see options to either copy the token or download it. Be sure to make a secure copy, because once you close this pop-up, you won't be able to easily view the key again. It's crucial to store it in a safe place, since this key is sensitive information that provides access to your Mailerlite account. That's it! You've successfully navigated through the Mailerlite dashboard and found your API key, ready for all your integration needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident managing your email marketing toolkit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.